Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you how can you fix the problem like Bluetooth headphones volume too loud lowest setting on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings from your iPhone, you'll got such interface. So from your you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the option apps. Okay, so now from this app section, you'll have to go the option music. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from the section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like sound check. So simply you have to turn on this feature from here. And again, from this audio section, you'll have to go the option EQ. Okay, so from here, you'll have to scroll down and go the option loudness. So simply select the loudness from here. Alright, so after done this, you'll have to just back from here, and from here you'll have to go the option accessibility. So for that you'll have to swipe up from your screen and go the option. Okay, so from this section you'll have to go the option audio and visual. Alright, so simply tap on the option audio and visual. Okay, so from the section you'll have to go the options like add voice isolation. So from here you'll have to turn on this feature from here. Alright, so after done this from here, you'll have to again swipe down at the bottom and go up the option balance. So from here, you can adjust your left and right volume from here. So you can adjust easily from here. And after done all of the procedure from here, you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.